This is an update video on the VDM-10 fenders. I will show you how they work, do some testing and add some improvements that made the fenders more effective. As you can see here, the front fender is kicking up water ahead of the scooter, which then sprays you from the front. The water is propelled over here and then it flies back at you and the front of the scooter. That needs to be fixed. Otherwise, the fender worked as intended at protecting the suspension, and the water and dirt was caught by the fender. The bottom of the scooter got sprayed a bit, but the front stayed clean. Here you can see the front spray made it all the way back, so I will need to try to extend the front fender to limit the spray. The back fender worked great, the suspension stayed clean and all the water and dirt was contained without spraying my back. The best solution for the front fender will be to join them together like this, to prevent water spray coming forward. Before doing the modifications, I did further testing, which I will show you now. Here you can see the spray from the front tire. The suspension is protected, but there is a lot of spray ahead of the scooter that gets blown into you as you ride at speed. The front plastic panel is also protected, but there is a lot of spray on the bottom of the scooter, which is not ideal. Here is a better look where you can see how high the water jet kicks up in front of the scooter. The back fender works great, no modifications were needed here. I used some black duct tape to secure the front fender. It looks decent and it was the simplest solution. You can also secure the front fender with a screw or some other means. This is the test with the modification. In the next test, I extended the fender to use the spray and to direct it more into the ground. Here you can see that it helped and the bottom of the scooter is now dry. After the test, I cut about 1 cm from the extension as it was too long and was brushing the ground on bumps. So that is it for the VDM-10 fenders. I joined the front fenders together and extended it, and the back fender did not need any further modifications. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more electric scooter content. And see you next time.